What's the meaning of bemusedly? Bemusedly. Bemusedly.
Bemusedly. Bemusedly. The word bemusedly is an adverb that describes a state of being in which one is confused, puzzled, or bewildered. When someone is bemused, they are typically trying to make sense of something that they may not fully understand or that is difficult to comprehend. Bemusement can be caused by a variety of factors, such as encountering a new idea or concept, dealing with unexpected circumstances, or facing a situation that is outside of one's comfort zone. Someone who is bemusedly observing a situation is likely doing so with a mixture of curiosity, awe, and uncertainty, as they try to make sense of what is happening around them.